here I am at another condo that needs my attention. The kitchen floor needs to be cleaned and sealed. Yeah, it's getting kind of dirty. And I've got to get that all taken care of. And over here in the bathroom, we've got the same type of thing going on. Plus, there's a shower here that needs to be cleaned and sealed. And the wall surrounds. I call that the shower wall surrounds. Oh, nothing in here. This is all nice carpet here. But what do we have over here? Another bathroom. Another nice little bathroom here. And another shower. Oh, brother, I've got my work cut out for me today. And you know what? I'm really not going to show you how to do this. You know why? Because you already know how to do it, or if you don't, it's on my channel. Okay, look underneath my playlists and you'll find it, how to clean and seal a tile floor, how to seal it, how to clean it, whatever. You know, I've got quite a few different videos on there that will tell you all about it. Oh, one more thing. Look at this ceiling fan. Wobbly dobbly. I guess they haven't watched my videos yet. You want to learn how to fix that? Go to my playlists. All about ceiling fan heaven, I think it's called, something like that. I think I have 30 or 40 videos that'll show you how to do all kinds of things with your ceiling fan, to fix it, to install it, and all kinds of troubleshooting. Okay, talk to you later. What are you still doing here? I have the complete video series on my channel. Check it out. Are you thinking about going on a vacation to Maui? If you are, let me know. Got some things for you available in Lahaina, within walking distance to Front Street. Send me a message and I'll get back to you. Gotta go for now, but I'll be back with more videos.